Hey everyone and welcome back to Daylight Chaser. Today, I ride out to a quiet river spot for what was supposed to be a simple catch and cook, but I was severely undergunned. Something big is down there, snapping my lines with ease. Could it be an ancient relic of the river? Kick back, grab a beverage if you like, and let's find out. The last time I came to this river spot, I threw 2 lines in. Both got snagged, and then I had to pack up because I had to get out of there. So I'm coming back with a bit of a vengeance, and hopefully we can catch a river monster for lunch. That was almost tempting to whip around and put some fuel in the old girl. Oh, here's a station here. Might put a little bit of juice in her while I go past, huh? Alright, the nugget is juiced. Let's go find this trail, attack it with some vigor. And here's a treacherous path. Holy shit, came in too hot there. Almost binned it. Let it do its thing. Beautiful. Go, nugget. Yeah. Wallaby, watch out, buddy! Was it here I parked? It just looks a lot more overgrown than last time. I'm pretty sure this is where I ripped it into. Let's get it up in here and get stealth mode activated. KTM 390 activate stealth mode. Oh. Hey, it's not bad actually. Let's see what it looks like from the trail. That's pretty good. If you're ripping past on a vehicle, you probably won't notice it, that's for sure. I should take my key out of it though. Oh. I've got all my gear. I actually prepared my fishing rod this time beforehand, so we're going to have to set that up. It's a strong spiderweb. following this trail for a little while, trying to find a good spot to get down to the river, but I can't seem to find any, so I might have to just head back to my old spot that I found here. And I almost stood on a red-bellied black snake. That was interesting. Whoa. There's a whole crew of those. They're living in that tree. I don't even know what kind of bird that is. It is really overgrown through here compared to last time I was here. So this should be interesting, but I'm gonna try and get my way down into that river. Ooh. Critters everywhere. Oh, there's a bit of timber here. That's Snake City right there though. All that dead timber. I've already seen one red belly, I don't need to see his cousins. It is so overgrown. Let's get a coffee brewing. I need a coffee. We'll smash that and then we're gonna try and get our way down to there. Just running the usual backpack today. Just swapped out the sleep system. I've put the lunchbox inside and I put a 3-litre water bladder in there. The fishing rod, obviously, and the tackle bag, and that's about it. I've kept the rest of the external pockets. I think I'll have a big coffee today. It is crazy how much it's grown here since last time. Like whatever this plant is here, this has gone rampant. Like this wasn't here before. This vine stuff, it's gone crazy. For bait, I'm just using frozen prawns and frozen squid that I picked up at my local tackle shop. That was good. All right, let's fish. In we go. Ow, big thorn. And a bunch of angry ants. Oh, the tide is low. Hang on, this could be okay. I'm caught by some vines. At least I can hang off them. God damn. Hey, a sandy beach. Well, well, well. Not as bad as I thought, except I'm very much down here. If the tide, whoa! If the tide begins to rise, we will have to make an escape. We could try and fish here. Oh my god. I've literally just destroyed my whole tackle setup by climbing through that. Wow. I might be able to salvage it. Now the patience game. While I'm balancing on this floating log. Couldn't be a better day though. And I thought for sure there'd be some more bandits on jet skis or boats ripping up and down the river. Gotcha. Come here. Don't you go into structure. God. Is it a catfish? God, don't go there. Come here, big fella. Holy moly. That's the biggest catfish I've ever caught. Jeez. Oh, well, there we got a fish. Can I have my hook back? Oh, you gulleted it. You really gulleted it, buddy. I'm just gonna borrow it back. There you go. I'm not kissing you because, god damn. Well, there's the slob we needed. Come on, big dog. In you go. Get in there. Get about your business. He was a big chunker. One for the lady of the river. Oh. Grant me a fish that might be a bit more edible. Not that that wasn't edible, but you'd have to be pretty hungry, I think, to eat a catfish out of this river. Whoa. Whoa. Gone. Hook gone. What? What has teeth? At least they're biting today. That thing just chomped my hook off. I'm gonna have to put new leader and everything now. It's actually such a good spot, apart from the snags, just with all this structure all around. We're on again. Oh, crap. Again! No way, bro. Whatever's chilling here, it just snapped. I just lost another hook. I've only got 8-pound fluorocarbon for my leader. And it's just getting bossed. Absolutely bossed. Don't come and gullet my fish, big boss. That would not be nice. Alright, I've put this is the third hook that I've put on. Two have been taken, and it's not by the sticks this time, thankfully. There is something is biting my hooks off. We've caught one catfish. I just want to catch like a brim or something that I can actually eat. Maiden of the river, grant my line strength. Duckies. At this point I really started to wonder what could be stealing my hooks with such ease. After doing some research, I found a large species that has been found in this river, the Australian lungfish, a rare and protected species illegal to capture, one of only 6 living species of lungfish in the world and the only surviving member of the family Neoceratodontidae. Fossil evidence indicates this species has remained relatively unchanged for 100 million years, making it a living fossil. They are Sarcopterygiae, or lobed-finned fish, that possess pre-adaptation for terrestrial life, such as air-breathing lungs and limb-like fins, making them our closest living aquatic relatives. They can grow to about 5 foot and weigh up to 50 kilograms or 110 pounds. The area I was fishing lines up with their preferred habitat, so they very well could have been a cute dinosaur stealing all my tackle, or these catfish were just extra fat. Dude! Bro. I need stronger leader. What the hell? We've strengthened up. I've ditched the leader and I've put the hook straight onto the end of my monofilament line. I'll be able to pull this fish out with a magnet soon. He's gonna be... I wonder if it's just the one guy. Go. Whew. Well, it hasn't lost a line yet, so that was a good thing, but now he's, I don't know what he's going. God. Whoa, 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 holy shit. Easy there, big boss. Can the little telescopic rod hold on to this? Far out. Oh. Alright. Let's try and tire him out. I can't think of any other plan. Here he goes. Whew. He's gone. Where's he gone? He's just buggered off with everything. Come back this way, please. What is this, man? What is this? The beast. Question is, how many times has he wrapped me around these sticks? He's coming this way. Let's try and reel him in here. No pressure, buddy. Swim this way. I don't want to spook him. I need to get low, maybe. We gotta see what this thing is. Come on this way. There it is. I saw it. It's a catfish again. Bugger! You could not be the man who's been causing me all this grief. Can you? Is it you and all your buddies? He's tired now. I won this time, buddy. You are a pesky little thing, I tell you what. You know I ought to eat you, right? You know I have every right to devour you. But I won't, because you have bested me in fish combat too many times, and you deserve to live, because you are one strong son of a bitch. If you are the guy that's been eating all my thing. Now can I have my hook back, sir? And you can get about your business. Thank you for the battle. It's been interesting, to say the least. Give me my hook. Whew. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I got him. If it was just the catfish that have just been death rolling, I feel like they've just been going whoom around a tree maybe, or just go death roll, bang, they're off. There must just be a big nest of them here. That's crazy. I'm glad I got him. We'll get this gear packed up, get back up this bank, have some lunch, and then we'll cruise out. I think it's second coffee time, I reckon. Golly. Let's pack this gear up. That was awesome though. That last little battle was so fun. Welcome to another Wild Cooks. I've been absolutely bullied by all the catfish in this river. I haven't caught anything that I would eat from there, so I don't have any fish for lunch. But all I have is an orange and an apple and a coffee. That's it. That's it. That's the end of this one. Good. The winds are here. Whew. Hey, not in the coffee. Oh my God. All the floaties. A bit of bush pollen for my beverage. I think we're all tidied up. Farewell, river, and eat that catfish. I'm on like full alert after I startled that red belly black this morning. My eyes are just locked to the ground right now. It's perfect time for them to sunbake and all that, so at least we caught fish today, so that's good. Big fat catfish. And I've set a record for how many hooks I've lost in a day. Well, that's pretty much it for this one, guys. I'm just gonna get through this twisty bit, jump on the highway, cruise back home. I'll see you guys soon. Take care. Peace.